So I talked about this stock on 11th of December 2020, and since then it's been a 150% rise that the stock has shown. So it's a very good decent amount of uptrend that the stock is showing. But what we are going to discuss is the big trend which is evolving, and the big or new targets which are yet to be seen in the upcoming weeks as well as in the upcoming months. So I will definitely tell you or suggest you to check my previous video, and don't first look at this video, just check the previous videos to get a sense about the trend and how it has evolved. And in this video we are definitely going to talk about the next big trend and the kind of chart it is. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Recon Technology. And so if you're looking at this chart, this is a flat chart or a chart which has been consolidating for the last 10 years or 12 years. Now in this chart the trend predictability of forecasting works very well, and we will definitely going to see an upside which we are probably looking for. It means that, let's say if you are looking for $5, let's say, and sometime it goes to 3, sometime it 4, sometime it may goes to 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we can't say that this is a particular point, although we are predicting, but that's not absolute, that it is called aggregate. But when you are talking about a consolidated chart, so if I'm saying 5, so probability is very high that it will at least move in between 4 or 5, or most of the time it will definitely retest 5. So that's the kind of chart it is. So the first two things which you are going to look at will be the lower end of the range, which is 1.4 and 0.78. So obviously we are not going to go below 1. So we are not going below 1.4, that is clear. But as the stock has already moved above 3.2, so 3.2 will be your primary support, and one must make sure that the stock must not fall below 3.2. You can consider 3.2 as your stop loss as well. Below 3.2 you have 1.4 and 0.78 respectively. So before talking about the trend, one thing you have to make sure about this chart, that this is a very volatile chart, and you can see it is very visible in the candlestick that the stock has a tendency to move up or move down very sharply. But the thing is, it is unable to hold the level specifically on the upside, and we have couple of examples in between 2015 and 2018 that the stock went up very sharply. But specifically this chart, so it started with $6 and it went up to $27, but it closed at $7. So you have this very volatile and very big swings. So one must make sure that this is a probability in this particular chart, and the similar kind of things will definitely going to happen on the upside. Having said that, because it is at or above $3.2, so the big targets that we are looking at, and let me tell you that the big trend has already opened up. So obviously it's going to take, let's say, 5 months, 6 months, or 1 or 2 years, that doesn't matter. But here when we know our levels, it is actually or most of the times in this kind of chart where the chart is consolidating, works out in a good way or in a positive way. And the targets that we are looking on the upside, as I told you, so you have your first target at 5.77, but eventually there is a very big probability that it could move after $5. You have 22, 27, and the uptrend could lead you toward $37. So these are the big targets that we are looking here in this particular chart. But let me tell you one thing, another time, that the chart is going to be very volatile one, and you can see very sharp swings. So it is up to you not to become greedy, and when things turns for you in the positive way, it's better to keep your profit rather than expecting beyond the target. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.